Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Taishi Everidge and today I'm just going to show you guys a quick little video of how I do my brows. So today you're going to need the e.l.f. brow kit, the L'Oreal brow defining pen, some brow gel, and a brush. So first what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush my hairs and brush them into place in the way that I want them to lay. Next I am just going to fill in my brows. Well, I'm really not filling them in. I'm taking the pen and I'm just going to create my arch, because this brow really, it doesn't have an arch like the other one does, so I'm just going to create this arch. And with this pen I'm more focused on tracing my brow, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Brow kits, and I'm going to fill in my brows with the e.l.f. brow kit. And I'm focusing more on the ends of my brow, and I'm not going to touch the front because I like the look of, it's not really faded, but I really like the look of like no product in the front of my brow. Now I'm just going to take my e.l.f. brow kit and I'm going to fill in the places where it needs to be filled, and the product is going to focus more on the ends of my brow. So now what I'm going to do is take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to clean up underneath my eye. And then when I am done with that, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Espresso, which is closer to my skin tone. It might be a little light, but it's closer to my skin tone. Excuse my dog. And I'm going to clean up on the top of my brow. Okay, so here I just wanted to say I'm sorry for the middle finger. It's kind of a habit to clean my brow using my finger, and I always go towards my middle finger. I need to stop doing that because it's not cute, but I take my finger and I clean out the concealer, and I like using my finger first and then going in with a sponge. I find that it comes out better. So what I'm going to do now is use my Wet n Wild Clear Brow Gel. I'm just going to use that, and I'm going to brush my hairs and lock them into place. So now that I've showed you guys how I do my brows, I'm going to show you guys how I do the other one. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit so you can still see how I do it. Just a FYI, one of my brows is a little thicker than the other. I'm trying to let my eyebrows grow back, so I'm not cutting on them or anything. I'm just cleaning them up using concealer and using my pencil. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I do my other brow. So guys, this is it. This is my little brow tutorial of how I do my natural brow look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, don't forget to check out my latest video. I will leave it in the description box below. Please like, comment, and subscribe on that video too. And yeah, see you in the next video.